A 110-foot asteroid, identified as 2024 OJ2, is making its way through space and is expected to pass near Earth at an alarming speed of 37,510 kilometers per hour. This asteroid, though not large enough to cause global devastation, has still raised significant concern in the scientific community. NASA has officially issued a warning, urging the public and space enthusiasts alike to stay informed. While the asteroid isn't massive enough to threaten the entire planet, it is still large enough that a collision could lead to localized destruction if it were to hit a populated area. Therefore, this close encounter with Earth warrants attention and continued monitoring. NASA's asteroid tracking and planetary defense systems are actively tracking 2024 OJ2 to ensure that its path and potential risks are thoroughly assessed. The space agency uses advanced telescopes and orbital tracking systems to map out the asteroid's exact trajectory. Based on current calculations, NASA experts believe the asteroid will safely pass Earth, maintaining a distance that poses no direct threat. However, due to the unpredictable nature of space objects, particularly those traveling at such high speeds, experts remain cautious. Asteroids like 2024 OJ2 can sometimes shift their paths unexpectedly due to gravitational interactions with other celestial bodies, including the Moon, or even larger planets like Jupiter. As a result, even though the current predictions suggest safety, the situation is constantly reassessed. If 2024 OJ2 were to hit Earth, the impact would not be catastrophic on a global scale, but it would likely cause substantial damage in a localized area. A 110-foot asteroid traveling at speeds exceeding 37,000 kilometers per hour could cause significant destruction upon impact with Earth's surface. The asteroid would likely create a large crater and generate intense shockwaves, which could destroy buildings, ignite fires, and create an impact event similar to smaller asteroid strikes that have occurred in history. The damage would be confined to the immediate vicinity of the impact site, but it could still lead to mass casualties if it were to strike a populated area. However, even with the potential for localized destruction, 2024 OJ2 is relatively small when compared to other large space objects that have caused significant impacts in the past. For example, the asteroid that caused the dinosaurs' extinction was much larger, with a diameter of around 10 kilometers, and it led to a global disaster. 2024 OJ2, on the other hand, is far smaller, which means the risk of widespread destruction is minimal. Still, scientists and planetary defense experts take no chances when it comes to tracking asteroids that come close to Earth. Every potential impact, no matter how small, is closely monitored. One of the primary reasons 2024 OJ2 is being watched so carefully is because of its high velocity. Asteroids traveling at such rapid speeds can release an enormous amount of energy upon impact. This is why even a smaller asteroid like 2024 OJ2 can be potentially hazardous. The energy released from the collision would be equivalent to several tons of TNT exploding, which is enough to create a significant shockwave. Additionally, the impact could create a fireball and, if the asteroid is composed of metal or rock, it could cause a considerable amount of damage due to the force of the impact. NASA's efforts to monitor and track near-Earth objects, NEOs, like 2024 OJ2 are part of a larger planetary defense strategy. While the current asteroid poses no immediate threat, the fact remains that space is filled with objects that could collide with Earth at any time. This is why NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office has been actively working on improving the technologies used to detect, track, and potentially deflect asteroids that could pose a real threat. Their efforts have already led to the development of advanced tracking systems and asteroid deflection strategies. For example, in recent years, NASA conducted a test mission known as the DART, Double Asteroid Redirection Test, where a spacecraft intentionally collided with an asteroid to change its course and demonstrated a successful way to protect Earth from future threats. While the risk of an asteroid hitting Earth remains relatively low, the potential consequences of such an event would be severe, which is why continuous monitoring is critical. 2024 OJ2 serves as a reminder that the universe is full of unknowns, and the unpredictability of space objects requires constant vigilance. Even small objects like this asteroid can cause significant damage if they happen to hit the right place. This is why NASA and other space agencies around the world continue to improve their methods for tracking asteroids and to develop new ways to protect the planet. In addition to asteroid detection and tracking, scientists are also looking into possible methods for asteroid deflection in case a more significant threat arises. One of the most promising ideas is the kinetic impactor technique, where a spacecraft would collide with an asteroid at high speed, transferring enough energy to change its course. Another possible strategy could involve using gravity tractors, where a spacecraft would use its gravitational pull to slowly alter the trajectory of an asteroid over time. While these methods are still in the experimental phase, they represent the cutting edge of planetary defense technology. While 2024 OJ2 is unlikely to cause any harm, its close approach underscores the importance of space science and our understanding of the objects that orbit near our planet. The more we know about asteroids, their trajectories, and their potential impacts, the better prepared we will be for future encounters. Asteroids are a natural part of our solar system, but with ongoing research and monitoring, we can ensure that Earth remains protected from the potential hazards they may pose. For those interested in space exploration, astronomy, or planetary defense, the tracking of asteroids like 2024 OJ2 provides an opportunity to learn more about the dynamic and often unpredictable nature of space. Scientists are continually gathering data on near-Earth objects, and this information is vital not only for understanding the risks but also for developing better solutions to safeguard our planet. In conclusion, while the asteroid 2024 OJ2 is not likely to hit Earth or cause any major damage, its close approach highlights the critical importance of asteroid monitoring and planetary defense. As space exploration continues to evolve, understanding the threats posed by space objects, and developing the technologies to deal with them, will remain a priority for space agencies across the globe. For now, 2024 OJ2 serves as an important reminder of both the potential